this idea of this video conferencing, this is my personal request to you, Lordship. It should be stopped.
You can request this to the Honorable Chief Justice.
Because it has not been functioning in any other court, Lordship. What has been happening,
see.
whatever the proceeding takes place in the court, Lordship, it should not be flashed outside.
Vikramji,
This is my request, Lordship.
I'm giving you answer to that. Your request cannot be accepted or denied by me in individual capacity. It is the decision of the institution to install this facility and with a view. No, please bear me. I have understood what you are saying. I have understood. It is the institutional decision to run this facility of video conferencing or of live telecast, whatever is the object. Okay. Now that decision can be taken at the institutional level. So you are free to make an application to the Honorable Chief Justice to close this. And the day I receive directions that this facility be closed, I'll be the first person to close it. But without the institutional direction, which asked us to function on this system, I will not be able to help you.
Well, also the video, it should go on. There is no problem, Lordship. What has been happening in the video, when it goes out, there has been a lot of persons sitting outside of the court and they've been making fun of all these things.
There are a lot of safeguards in the rules itself. Please go through the High Court rules. You can prosecute them. There is a provision for that. Action can be taken by the institution. So there are two things. If others have stopped, I am not responsible for it. I am abiding by the institutional mandate. Though I am not in army, but I am soldier of this institution.
It's not that.
Okay.
I am just mentioning it for the reason, Lordship, that it has been somewhere misuse of the entire thing.
That you will appreciate, you as a counsel for the Indian Army will appreciate that a soldier has very many limitations to function. And as a soldier of the institution, I cannot take a decision on my own.
Because my second contention is that, Lordship, we are just like a family. This judicial system is just like a family, and whatever takes place inside the court, it should not go out. It should not go out, and it should not be flashed out.
There are safeguards in other high courts which runs the show on the server. Entry is a high court server. Entry is allowed only to the participants, not to the outsider. You request the Registrar General.
You will find a lot of news